Hello everyone, welcome back to Glory English Language Academy. Our today's lesson is vocabulary about jobs. First of all, I have a question to ask you. How many jobs do you know in English? Now we are learning the names of the jobs. Let's have a look at the photos. What does she do in picture A? She is a doctor. What does she do in picture B? She is a nurse. What does he do in picture C? He is a politician. Picture D, a police officer. Picture E, a lawyer. Picture F, a sportsman or sportswoman. Picture G, a businessman or businesswoman. Picture H, an actor or actress. Picture I, an accountant. Picture J, a shop assistant. Picture K, a waiter or waitress. Picture L, a teacher. Picture M, a hairdresser. Picture N, a personal assistant. Picture O, a receptionist. Picture P, a chef. Picture Q, an engineer. Now let's move on to the listening lesson. Listen and write the names of the jobs. Recording is also given here. Shall we listen?
Unit 2, Recording 6. A.
Order for table 6. Ready.
Chef.
B.
Stop. Stand still. Name?
Police officer.
C.
Okay, that's finished. What do you think?
Hairdresser.
D.
Let me just listen. Okay, say R.
Doctor.
E.
Good morning, everyone.
Teacher.
F.
That'll be $7.99.
Shop assistant. We've already learned jobs in this video. See you.